4 arrested in Mandeville jewelry store, attempted break-in. 12-year-old boy gone missing from St. Catherine home. 14-year-old girl missing from Sandy Bay, Freetown, Clarendon. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 4 men were arrested after they were caught attempting to break into a jewelry store in Mandeville on Sunday morning. Police source stated that 2 of the men are from Rocky Hill, St. Elizabeth, one is from a Kingston 14 address, and the other from Kemps Hill in Clarendon. The youngest is 23 and the oldest 33. Police stated that about 4 a.m., a team was on patrol when the men were seen attempting to break into the jewelry store located at Mandeville Plaza. The man bore a hole into a wall in attempt to gain entry into the store. They were taken into custody. Further checks revealed that the men rented the motor car from its owner in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth. A high alert has been activated for 12-year-old Adriel Nelson of Windsor Heights Central Village, St. Catherine, who has been missing since Sunday, January 14. He is of brown complexion, slim build, and about 165 centimeters or 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Central Village Police are that at about 3:30 p.m., Adriel was last seen at home wearing a blue shirt, blue shorts, and a pair of blue slippers. He has not been heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Adriel Nelson is being asked to contact the Central Village Police at 876-984-2644, the 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station. 14-year-old Cornelia Davis of Sandy Bay, Freetown, Clarendon has been missing since Friday, January 12. Cornelia is of dark complexion. She is of slim build and about 5 feet 5 inches tall. Last seen in Maypen. When last seen, she was dressed in purple tunic and white blouse. Anyone with information that can help find Cornelia, please call the Maypen Police Station at 876-986-2208, the 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station.